Hey there, my friend, and welcome to today's episode. This one is packed with value. If you've ever found yourself stuck searching for the right words in English, or if you want to sound more like a native speaker in everyday conversations, then listen closely. Because I'm about to teach you 25 of the most common B1 English expressions that you absolutely need to know. These are short, powerful, and super useful phrases that you'll hear in daily life, at work, with friends, or online. Ready? Let's jump in. Asterisk expression number 1, I'm in. We use this when we want to say yes to an idea or join something. Like if someone says, we're going to try that new pizza place tonight, and you're excited to go, you say, I'm in. It's friendly, fast, and confident. Asterisk number 2, no way. This one shows surprise, shock, or disbelief. For example, your friend tells you, I just ran 10 kilometers, and you reply, no way. It's like saying, are you serious? But more casual and fun. Asterisk number 3 is sounds good. This is how we agree to a suggestion. Someone says, let's start the meeting at 10, and you say, sounds good. It's relaxed and very common in both work and social situations. Asterisk number 4, that's it. You use this when something is finished or complete. For instance, after you finish explaining something, you can say, that's it. That's all you need to know. Asterisk expression 5, I'm not sure. This one is polite and honest. When someone asks you something and you don't know the answer, say, I'm not sure. It's softer than just saying I don't know. Asterisk number 6, I can't wait. This means you're really excited about something. Maybe your favorite band is coming to your city and you say, I can't wait for the concert. It's full of energy and joy. Asterisk expression 7 is take your time. Use this to tell someone not to rush. Maybe your friend is choosing a movie and they feel stressed. You say, hey, take your time, no pressure. It shows patience and kindness. Asterisk number 8, it depends. This is a flexible way to answer a question. For example, if someone asks, do you like working from home? You might say, it depends, sometimes yes, sometimes no. It shows your answer isn't just yes or no. Asterisk expression 9, hang on. This means wait a moment. Let's say you're talking on the phone and need to check something. You say, hang on, I'll be right back. Asterisk number 10, I got it. You can use this when you understand something or when you're taking responsibility. For example, can someone answer the door? I got it. Or after someone explains something, you reply, oh, I got it now. Asterisk 11, what's up? This is a casual way to ask how someone is doing. It's like saying how are you, but more relaxed. You see a friend and say, hey, what's up? And they might say, not much, you? Asterisk expression 12, no problem. It's used to say you're welcome or it's okay. Like someone says, thanks for your help, and you reply, no problem. It's friendly and easygoing. Asterisk 13, let me see. This is what we say when we're thinking or checking something. Like if someone asks, do you know the time? You look at your watch and say, let me see, it's 3:30. Asterisk expression 14, kind of. This means a little bit or in some way. You might say, are you hungry? Kind of. I could eat something small. Asterisk 15, I'm good. This is a common way to say you're fine or you don't need something. For example, someone offers you more coffee and you say, no thanks, I'm good. Asterisk 16, just kidding. Use this when you make a joke and want the person to know it's not serious. Like you say, you owe me $1 million, just kidding. It's light and playful. Asterisk expression 17, it's up to you. This means you're giving the other person the choice. For example, where should we eat? I don't know, it's up to you. Asterisk 18, I think so. It's a soft way to say yes, but not 100% sure. Is this the right key? I think so. Asterisk. Asterisk expression 19, fingers crossed. We say this when we hope for good luck. Like before a test, I studied hard, fingers crossed I pass. It's a nice phrase for support or hope. Asterisk. Asterisk number 20, that makes sense. Use this when something is logical or clear to you. Oh, now I understand your explanation. That makes sense. Asterisk. Asterisk 21, go ahead. You say this to give someone permission. Like if you're both at the door, and you step back and say, go ahead. It's polite and welcoming. Asterisk. Asterisk 22, don't worry about it. It means it's okay or no problem. If someone says, sorry I'm late, you say, don't worry about it. Asterisk. Asterisk expression 23, you never know. This is for situations that are uncertain. For example, do you think we'll win the game? Maybe. You never know. Asterisk. Asterisk 24, it's not a big deal. Say this to show something isn't serious. Someone makes a small mistake and you say, relax, it's not a big deal. It helps people feel better. Asterisk. Asterisk and finally, number 25, believe it or not. This one is used before you share something surprising. Believe it or not, I've never been on a plane. It's fun and curious. Asterisk. Asterisk now before we wrap up, here's your bonus tip. If you want to actually remember these expressions, don't just listen, use them. Pick 5 of them today and try using them in your own voice. Talk to yourself in the mirror, record a voice note, or drop them into a comment. When you use language, you own it. So don't just be a learner, be a speaker. Alright, my friend, that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed these 25 essential expressions. If you did, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment below. Which expression are you going to use today? Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and as always, speak it out loud.